Say hello to the Mueller Pro Series 12-in-1 Mandoline Slicer, your all-in-one kitchen powerhouse designed to make slicing, dicing, grating, chopping, and spiralizing faster, easier, and safer than ever. With 12 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, this compact tool replaces bulky appliances and cuts prep time in half, giving you perfectly even results every time. From crisp cucumber slices to zoodles, waffle fries, or shredded cheese, the Mueller slicer handles it all with precision. The built-in safety handguard and non-slip base keep your fingers protected, while the large storage container keeps your counters clean and mess-free. Whether you're a home cook or a busy parent, this gadget transforms your kitchen routine with efficiency and style. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, it's built to last and ready to simplify your cooking. Upgrade your kitchen game with the Mueller Pro Series Mandoline Slicer, the smarter way to prep, cook, and enjoy.